How to fix CashApp crashing on Android device. If your CashApp application keeps crashing on Android and you are looking for an effective solution, then here's how you can fix the issue. The first thing to do is to restart your CashApp. Simply close off the CashApp application running from your background and then check your internet connection. Make sure to enable your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and find the best connection for your mobile device first. Once you have the stable internet, you can now try updating the CashApp. Go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and try updating your CashApp application if you're using an outdated version of CashApp. Also, if you're using an outdated version for your phone's software, make sure you update that too. Open up Settings from your app drawer and then from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the Software Update button. Tap on Download and Install and check if there is any updates available for your software. If there is an update, make sure to update to the latest version. Once your software is up to date, you can go back and open up the CashApp application and see if that fixes your crashing issue. Sometimes, the main reason for crashing your application is because you've installed too many applications on your device. If there is any app you no longer use, then you can simply delete the app from occupying your storage space. Simply go ahead and find the application you no longer use and press hold the app. Now tap on the uninstall button and tap on OK in the pop-up to uninstall the certain app. You can also repeat the process for any other application that you no longer use. And then, after clearing out your space on your Android device, you might be able to fix your CashApp crashing issue. If nothing else works out, you can simply go ahead and restart your Android device. Press and hold the power switch and then tap on Restart. Once the restart is completed, go back to your CashApp application and launch it open and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you can try to solve your CashApp crashing issue using Android. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.